Hey, it's Brian here at Parker Trailer and RV. Today we're checking out the Snow King. It's the Snowmobile edition from Continental Cargo. This one is super slick. You've got black and red two-tone. You've got two 3,500-pound axles. You've got the front and rear ramp. You've got Nudo decking. Internally, you've got a box for helmets and or gear. Also, the covered walls and ATP lower areas so that when you're hitting it with the snowmobiles, you're not scraping up just the wood basic siding inside. So these things are fairly decked out. Now you're putting a price point on one of these trailers, you're looking at far better situation than some of those that are super built out with everything when you only need some of the basics when you're going back and forth snowmobiling. Regardless, if you're looking to pick this guy up, come on down to Parker Trailer and RV, or certainly visit us at parkertrailers.com.